Picture this: you've finally landed, the excitement of your trip bubbling up. You head to baggage claim, eyes scanning the carousel, only to realize your suitcase isn't there. Or worse, you find it, but a zipper's tampered with, a lock broken, your peace of mind shattered. This isn't just a bad dream, it's a traveler's worst nightmare. And here's the unsettling truth: your suitcase is far more vulnerable than you think. Every year, airlines mishandle 25 million bags, with nearly 1 in 10 checked bags getting lost, stolen, or even subtly tampered with. The most chilling part? You might not even notice until you're unpacking at your destination. But don't let that fear hijack your trip. You actually have the power to outsmart thieves and keep your belongings incredibly safe. From choosing the right bag to implementing clever security hacks, this guide will equip you with everything you need to travel with absolute peace of mind. Ready to become a luggage security pro? Let's jump in. Your suitcase isn't just a container, it's your first fortress. Choosing the right one makes all the difference. Think about those soft-sided bags. A thief can slice through them in mere seconds, even if they're locked. It's like leaving your valuables in a paper bag. Instead, invest in a hard-shell suitcase, ideally made from tough polycarbonate or resilient aluminum. Not only are these materials incredibly durable against rough handling, but they're also exponentially harder to compromise. Now, let's talk about those tempting exterior pockets. They seem convenient, right? But they're a thief's dream. Too many easy access points. Opt for bags with fewer external zippers and compartments. Fewer zippers means fewer problems, fewer vulnerabilities. And when it comes to the zippers themselves, always look for double zippers instead of single ones. Some even come with ingeniously designed interlocking anti-theft zippers that are almost impossible to pry open. This small detail can be a game changer. You might think a locked zipper means your bag is completely safe. Think again. There's a notorious, shockingly simple trick thieves use called the pen trick. It's exactly what it sounds like. A basic ballpoint pen can effortlessly split open standard zipper teeth, giving instant access to your belongings. The most infuriating part? They can zip it right back up, leaving no trace, and you'll never know until it's too late. The solution? Seek out bags featuring anti-puncture zippers. These are engineered to interlock tightly, making it impossible for anyone to force them open with a pen or similar tool. If an anti-puncture zipper isn't an option, consider zipperless bags with sturdy latches. These designs eliminate the zipper vulnerability altogether, making them significantly harder to mess with. A good lock won't make your bag theft-proof, but it's a powerful deterrent. Thieves crave speed and ease. If they spot a locked suitcase, they'll almost always move on to an easier target. But remember, not all locks are created equal. Avoid flimsy options that can be easily cut or picked. Look for a TSA-approved lock with a reinforced steel shackle and a tamper-resistant design. That little red diamond symbol is crucial. It means airport security can open and relock your bag without damaging it, saving you from a broken lock or forced entry. For an extra layer of protection, use a cable lock to secure your zippers to a fixed point on your bag. This makes it much harder to open quietly, forcing a thief to create a scene, which they desperately want to avoid. Sometimes, the best security is to make your bag look like it's not worth stealing. A brand new, flashy designer suitcase practically screams, "Expensive contents inside." Instead, opt for a plain or even slightly worn-looking bag. It simply draws less attention. Here's a clever trick. Wrap your suitcase with brightly colored tape, unique stickers, or even a prominent, fragile label. Thieves don't want to deal with something that looks like a hassle or draws attention. For an even stronger deterrent, consider wrapping your bag tightly in cling film or plastic wrap. It makes quick access almost impossible, and most opportunistic thieves won't even bother trying. Ever wondered if someone opened your bag when it was out of sight? Security seals offer a simple, yet remarkably effective way to detect tampering. These inexpensive, disposable locks attach to your zippers, handles, or lock points and must be broken or cut for access. If someone tries to open your bag, they'll have to remove the seal, leaving clear, undeniable evidence that your luggage has been interfered with. For checked luggage, security seals add a powerful layer of deterrence. A sealed bag immediately signals that any interference will be obvious, making it a far less attractive target compared to unsealed bags. For a stronger visual deterrent and extra reinforcement, add a luggage strap with a combination lock. This not only reinforces your zippers but also keeps everything tightly sealed in case of rough handling during transit. Plus, a brightly colored strap makes your suitcase a breeze to spot on the carousel, preventing accidental mix-ups. If your luggage gets lost or stolen, having solid proof of its appearance and contents is crucial for quick recovery. Before checking in, take clear photos of the outside of your bag, including any unique markings and the baggage tag with your claim ticket. Then, open your suitcase and snap a picture of the inside, especially if you're carrying valuable items. For high-value belongings, keeping an inventory list or even saving receipts can significantly help when filing a claim with your airline or travel insurance. Having these details ready streamlines the tracking process and dramatically increases your chances of compensation. Here's a golden rule: never check anything you can't afford to lose. Your passport, cash, electronics, jewelry, and medication should always be in your carry-on. If your checked bag goes missing, you don't want to be stranded without your absolute essentials. It's also smart to pack enough basics in your carry-on, like a change of clothes and basic toiletries, to last at least 48 hours. That way, if your suitcase is delayed, you're not stuck wearing the same outfit for 2 days. Beyond wise packing, empower yourself with real-time luggage tracking. Major airlines often offer this through their apps. Download your airline's app before your flight and enable baggage tracking. This allows you to monitor your bag's location throughout your journey and get instant updates. But here's an even smarter move: combine airline tracking with an AirTag or tile tracker. While airline apps show you where your bag was last scanned, an AirTag provides real-time, pinpoint accuracy, whether it's inside the airport, at your hotel, or even if someone takes it by mistake. Pro tip: place your AirTag inside your suitcase, rather than attaching it outside, to prevent it from being easily removed. That way, even if your airline loses track of your luggage, you won't. Even with all these precautions, things can still go wrong. That's why travel insurance is a game changer. Many travelers skip it, thinking they won't need it, but with millions of bags mishandled every year, having a backup plan is absolutely worth it. Read the fine print, as not all policies cover lost luggage the same way. Also, be aware that some airlines might reimburse you for essentials if your bag is delayed, but only if you know their policy beforehand. When it comes to check-in, resist the urge to drop your bags off too early. The longer your luggage sits in the airport's handling area, the more time there is for things to go wrong. Drop off your luggage as close to departure as possible. This keeps it moving instead of sitting around unsupervised, significantly reducing the chances of it getting lost or interfered with. Plus, fewer hands mean fewer opportunities for trouble. Avoid tagging your bag as priority or high value if you don't truly need it. While it seems smart, these labels often act as a beacon, signaling expensive contents and making your luggage a prime target for theft. A normal-looking bag simply draws less attention and is far less likely to catch the eye of opportunistic thieves. Airports are bustling, making them perfect hunting grounds for luggage thieves. It takes only a few seconds for an unattended bag to vanish. Always keep your luggage within sight, especially when waiting in line to check in, going through security, or picking up your bag at baggage claim. If you're traveling with others, take turns watching the bags while someone else handles documents or check-in. Beyond theft, an unattended bag can trigger a security alert, leading to evacuations, flight delays, or even confiscation. Keeping your luggage with you isn't just about protecting your belongings. It also helps prevent unnecessary security disruptions for everyone. A little awareness goes a long way. Finally, empower yourself with knowledge. Some airlines and airports have much higher rates of lost or mishandled luggage than others. Before booking, check reviews and baggage handling statistics. And if possible, opt for a direct flight instead of a layover. Most lost luggage incidents occur when bags are transferred between planes, so minimizing connections drastically reduces the chances of your suitcase going missing. No matter how well you prepare, there's always a chance your luggage could go missing. Instead of stressing, plan ahead so you're not left scrambling. This includes having your airline's customer service number handy, saving your boarding pass and baggage claim ticket, and keeping a photo of your suitcase. Planning ahead gives you incredible peace of mind, knowing you're prepared for any travel mishaps. At the end of the day, your luggage is only as secure as the steps you take. By choosing the right suitcase, utilizing smart locks and trackers, keeping valuables in your carry-on, and staying vigilant, you can travel with unparalleled confidence. So next time you pack, don't just think about what's going in your bag, think about how to protect it. Safe travels, and may your luggage always arrive with you.